welcome back to my channel. It's Amelia and I'm back with another video. So today I'm just going to be doing a little hair review slash install slash I don't even know, everything. And it's from, what's the name of it? Something Queen. I don't remember the name, but it's definitely going to be in the link below. This is from Aliexpress and it's 14 inches, 150 density. And it's 13 by 6 parting space. And y'all see how this hair is looking? Y'all see it? So definitely continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Just subscribe right now so you can be a part of the family, I guess, and you can be updated with my videos. And let's just get right into this video. I'm gonna be installing the hair and then I'm gonna be basically talking about the hair. It was easy to pluck and it was easy to bleach the hair. The curls look really nice. It has a smell to it, but it's not like terrible. Like once you wash it, your conditioner should overpower it more. This is their 14-inch, they said jerry curls, but it's water wave. And the lace is really nice. I'm not rich, so I don't be out here spending like $300 on a lace wig. So I go on my little Aliexpress and do my little search and see what I can find. And I found this time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the wig on and get this video rolling. So this is the inside of the wig. It's a 13 by 6 frontal. It comes with a comb in the middle, comb on the side, and then comb in the back. And you already know, buckle this up, clip it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this off because sometimes I be forgetting to cut it off. It doesn't really have to be perfect because no one's gonna see this. First thing first, I'm gonna get my True Complexion medium to dark. This is what I use to do my lace. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this color right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on the lace. Y'all can't see, but I'm just rubbing it on the lace right now. And I bought this hair like a while ago. I don't know why it's just now taking me now to install it. But the shipping was the average Aliexpress shipping. So you know, it'd be a couple days. I'm just gonna brush the hair back. Like so. Just gonna brush the hair back. Before I do that though, to keep my part, I'm gonna take a little bit of mousse. I'm gonna take a little hair tie. And put the hair in a ponytail. Okay. I'm gonna pull this down so you can really see what you're working with. See how nice this lace looks? To glue down my lace, I'm gonna be using my bolt hold. I wanna try the Erica J thing though next. So I'm probably gonna try that next. But for today, we're gonna use what we're used to using. Bolt hold be getting stuck everywhere, boy. We're gonna use 3 layers today because I kinda do want it to stay a little longer. All right, so let's see how messy my bolt hold thing looks. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I'm gonna roll this up, roll it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add my glue. Dot. you want to take the wig and basically just slide it on top. So I did do the lace a little too dark. I'm so mad at myself right now. I made it a little bit too dark, as you can see, like you can see the line. So mad. Maybe if I rub some of this off. Some of the powder off. Yeah, that's looking beautiful. So it's looking like this. And we're gonna go ahead and take some more loose. Get the part down again. All right, y'all. This is the final look. This is how the hair is looking. You can run your fingers through it. I did add a little conditioner to it. And this hair is so good. Like, it looks cute to me. See the curls. Curls are so pretty. Yeah, so this is how the hair looks. The lace is pretty good. Pretty good to me. The length, feels like 14 inches. The density is good. This was 150. The hair doesn't really shed a lot. The only time it was like shedding was when I was plucking the lace, but of course it's gonna shed because I'm plucking the lace. It feels really soft. The lace is really nice. Like, it looks really good. And I tried. I'm not a pro hairstylist, but the lace looked pretty good. I would definitely recommend you guys buying it. Like I said, it doesn't really shed. It came like regular Aliexpress time. There's not really much to say about the hair, but I really like it. Like, y'all can see how the hair is looking. Y'all see it? And I just like that it's like full, but not too full. And the curls just look really nice. Like, look at these curls. And I just put some water on it and a little bit of conditioner. I really like this hair and I recommend you getting it. So yeah, go ahead and get it. Period. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all at my next video.